Hi everyone, this is our third hunt for the best Dubai Chewy cookie.
Wow, this is from
Pink Heaven.
Pink Heaven. So they offer 3 flavors. See?
Dark chocolate,
Ano
Katay Feet Pistachio,
and strawberry surprise. See? Assorted flavors ito. So, let's try it.
Wait lang!
Okay, we will try the strawberry surprise first. Are you ready, Mavi?
Whoa!
Look. Why strawberry? Ate Sasha, you want to try? No.
My sister will try later.
Okay, let's split muna. For you. Ate Sasha. Do not remove the strawberry. Okay. Wala pa gani. Okay, this one. Meron siyang chocolate inside. And then may katayfi. And then my marshmallow cover.
Dark chocolate.
Try.
Ito ba? Makain pa man tayo.
Let's try the dark chocolate now. Ngayon. Yeah. We'll see.
Ay, I needed one.
Punta tayo ngayon.
Ah, yum.
Ooh.
Wow.
So, the dark chocolate, meron naman
Wow,
siya
fudge.
ganache inside. So, let's try. Hati na lang tayo nito, ma'am. I will just try. No.
Look at this.
Sa'yo na to.
It's like the cheese pulling. But it's marshmallow.
It's rich, but it's a bit sweet. It's a bit sweet.
For the
But
ones
it's very rich
for
in
the
flavor.
for the people that
So
wants
chocolatey.
for the people that wants diabetes.
No, wait.
Oh,
Okay, and last, we're going to try the Katayfi pistachio.